Back to the farm. We're in the sunflower field today. We're going to show you how we turn over a sunflower bed. We do plant 4 times a season, or 4 successions in one bed each year, and we never remove the roots, and we leave part of the stalk in each time we plant a new one. I'm going to show you how this may help you if you have a smaller space and you want to grow sunflowers all season long with minimal amount of work. But before we get into that, I do want to take just a moment and say thank you to everybody who has watched, liked, subscribed to our channel. It has done beyond what we thought we would in this short amount of time, so thank you. And if you're new here, we'd love to have you join us on this journey. So not a lot of tools are needed for this project. A set of knee pads or a kneeling pad to help preserve your knees, and loppers or pruners to chop them down. I'm going to show you that we're only going to leave about 3/4 to an inch of stalk left above the ground. So let's clear this out. All right, so we're going to leave a 3/4 of an inch to an inch of height on the stalk and chop the rest off. Here's a little bonus tip. If you peel all the leaves off your stalk and then let these dry out, these make great garden stakes in your garden for next season. All right, we have everything cleaned up and the stalks are about an inch, some are 1.5 inches. The one thing I'll do different when the sunflowers get moved to their permanent home next season, as we continue to build out the farm, is the water lines will be buried in that sunflower bed, so I won't have to worry about cutting a water line. That's why I'm a little higher. It won't matter, it'll still work. These stalks are going to help with germination. I'll show you about that in a second. And then one other thing to note, notice that yes, these are 4 inches apart, but we're going to plant our next seed right here next to the stalk. And then the next time we go through, we're going to plant the next seed right next to the water line here next to the stalk. So we'll have 2 stalks in another plant. And then on the next one, we'll put the seed right there. So at the end of the season, we're going to have 4 stalks, and then we're going to hit the next row and there'll be 4 more over there. So we are planting the seed right next to the stalk. Remember, sunflowers don't really need fertilizer, so we don't have to amend the bed in between each planting. And they have a tap root, so the root is going to go, for the most part, just straight down from here, so they can be right next to the stalk without inhibiting the plant. All right, we're going to plant some Pro Cut Gold in this row. I just put some in my hand and pull out a couple at a time and actually just push my fingers into the spot they're going. And I'll check back as I'm doing it to see if I need to put a little dirt over it. A lot of times my fingers just kind of smash enough dirt in the hole, and it's that easy. Okay, our row is covered with burlap. The burlap's going to help hold in some moisture. It'll create some shade on the ground. You'll also be able to water through it. It's permeable. It'll also keep birds out, so they won't be stealing your seeds. The other thing it does is, because we have our stalks that we left before, the burlap's actually sitting on top of it. And when the seed germinates, it's not going to be pressing right up against the burlap at the beginning. And that'll allow us to keep the burlap on the row for a little extra longer to get a little bit better germination on all the seeds, and provides us a better crop. All right, this is the last step in the process at the end of the season. I had to go change shirts because it's crazy hot out. So you have to imagine or picture that the bed here is covered with stalks from all the sunflowers you grew all season long. We're going to put grass clippings over the top to mulch. You could use leaves, whatever you have on hand. We just happen to save grass clippings. And then we let it sit all winter long. And during the winter, the roots of the sunflowers decompose back into the bed. And then come spring, we take a heavy metal rake and we rake the top. And 98% of the stalks just come right off with the rake because the roots have decomposed back into the bed. We pick them up and start the process over again. Well, we hope you give this a try in your growing space this summer. We appreciate you watching, and remember, live life in full bloom.